Where are the leaves? Mommy, look. The tree is naked. Where are the leaves?
Oh, don't worry, honey. We took the leaves away.
Why? Is the tree sad?
No, the tree is happy. We take the green leaves off, so the yellow flowers can come out.
The flowers are hiding?
Yes, they are sleeping inside. When the leaves are gone, the flowers will wake up to say Happy New Year.
Ooh. Yellow flowers like the sun.
Exactly. Lots of yellow flowers. It will look so beautiful for the new year.
Can I help? I want to wake up the flowers.
Sure. Here, pull this leaf. But be gentle. Just like touching a baby.
Okay. Pluck. Wake up, flower.
Good job, Anna. High five.